Change of the guard. Donald Trump sworn in as 45th President of the United States. Good evening and thanks for joining us for Primetime News, and a special welcome to our viewers on OneSpotMedia.com. I'm Janella Precious.
And I'm Doreen Samuels. Also this evening, sweeping changes to be unveiled at the Firearms Licensing Authority.
Major upset over the transfer of top cops in St. Mary.
Government continues to tout success of economic policies.
In the financial report, Kingston to get a new hotel.
There's also international stories, bite of the week, sports commentary and weather in this newscast. But first, the feedback question.
What are your expectations of U.S. President Donald J. Trump? Give your reasons for your answer.
You can share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica, and tweet at Television Jam.
Stay with us. The Primetime News package returns after this break.